comprehensive comparison. Multimeters are indispensable tools for anyone working with electrical systems, from professional electricians to DIY enthusiasts. They allow users to measure voltage, current, resistance, and more, making them essential for troubleshooting and diagnosing electrical issues. In this comparative review, we evaluated 5 popular multimeters spanning a price range from $13.99 to $110.65. Our methodology included assessing accuracy. List 1. The Astro AI Digital Multimeter Tester is an ultra-affordable option, priced at just $13.99, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those on a budget. This device offers basic functionality, including measurements for AC/DC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diode testing. Its compact design, lightweight build, and intuitive interface make it user-friendly, while the built-in backlit LCD ensures visibility in low-light conditions. The inclusion of a silicone protective cover and double fuses enhances safety, particularly for household use. However, it lacks the ability to measure AC current and struggles with low voltage below 100 millivolt AC. In terms of performance, the Astro AI Digital Multimeter Tester offers reliable readings for basic tasks like checking household outlets, batteries, and simple automotive troubleshooting. However, its limited functionality and slower sampling speed, 2 times per second, may frustrate advanced users. This multimeter is best suited for light, occasional use rather than heavy-duty professional applications. Its safety features, such as the anti-burn double fuse, are commendable at this price point, though the lack of advanced features like auto-ranging or true RMS limits its versatility. List number. The Astro AI TRMS 6000 Counts Multimeter is a step up from its budget sibling, offering more advanced features at $30.99. This model includes true RMS for accurate AC measurements, auto-ranging, and the ability to measure temperature, capacitance, and frequency. It is well-suited for both household and automotive diagnostics, with a robust build and a large backlit LCD for enhanced readability. The inclusion of a kickstand and auto shut-off feature adds to its ease of use, while the ceramic fuses provide reliable protection against overloading. Performance-wise, this multimeter excels in versatility, providing accurate readings across a wide range of parameters. The true RMS capability makes it ideal for troubleshooting complex AC systems, while the temperature measurement feature is a bonus for HVAC technicians. However, the slightly heavier build, 357 grams, might not appeal to users seeking a compact tool. Additionally, while it's a great mid-range option, it may not meet the rigorous demands of professional electricians who require higher-end precision tools. List 3. The Klein Tool 6949P Electrical Test Kit is a versatile package priced at $39.97, combining a digital multimeter, non-contact voltage tester, and electrical outlet tester. The MM300 multimeter included in this kit can measure up to 600 volts AC/DC, 10 amps DC current, and 2 mega ohms resistance, making it a reliable tool for general electrical work. The additional non-contact voltage tester and outlet tester enhance its utility, allowing users to detect wiring faults and voltage without direct contact. This kit is particularly appealing for homeowners and handy persons who want a comprehensive solution. The performance of the MM300 multimeter is solid for its price range, providing accurate readings and a user-friendly interface. The non-contact voltage tester is a standout feature, offering high-intensity voltage detection with both visual and audible indicators. However, the MM300 lacks advanced features like auto-ranging and true RMS, which limits its appeal for professional electricians. Additionally, the kit's overall weight, 0.94 pound. List number 4. The Klein Tools MM325 multimeter is a durable and reliable option priced at $34.97. It offers manual ranging functionality and can measure AC/DC voltage up to 600 volts, 10 amp DC current, and resistance up to 2 milliohms. Additional features include continuity testing, diode testing, and a battery test mode. The backlit display ensures easy readability, while the lead alert protection enhances user safety by indicating proper test lead placement. Its rugged construction allows it to withstand drops of up to 6.6 feet, making it ideal for both residential and light industrial environments. This multimeter performs well for its intended use cases, delivering consistent and accurate readings. The manual ranging feature may not appeal to users accustomed to auto-ranging models, but it offers more control for experienced users. The battery test mode is a handy addition for quickly diagnosing battery health. However, the lack of true RMS and temperature measurement capabilities may deter professionals seeking a more versatile tool. Overall, the Fluke 15B Plus digital multimeter is a premium option priced at $110.65. Designed for professional use, it offers a wide range of measurements including AC/DC voltage and current, up to 1,000 volts and 10 amps, resistance, continuity, diode testing, and capacitance. Its Cat 3 600-volt safety rating ensures reliability in residential and commercial environments. The robust build quality, intuitive interface, and high-accuracy readings make it a standout choice for electricians and technicians who demand precision. The Fluke 15B Plus excels in performance, delivering fast and accurate readings across its extensive measurement range. Its high safety rating and durable construction make it suitable for rigorous professional use. While it lacks some advanced features like auto-ranging and true RMS, its focus on reliability and precision compensates for these omissions. However, the higher price point may be a barrier for casual users or hobbyists. This multimeter is best suited for professionals who prioritize accuracy and